You're minding your own business when the phone rings. It's someone saying you have a problem with your computer or broadband. They say they're from a well-known computer company, your internet service provider, your bank, or some other big name. And don't worry, they can easily sort it out. They might even get you to look at your computer and tell you to click a few things. And an error message appears. But there isn't an error. There's nothing wrong. It's a trick. But they tell you that all you need to do is get online and they'll take control of your computer to fix the problem. Easy. Whew. But there's a catch. They're not who they say they are. They're out to scam you. They'll usually ask you to download some special software called a remote access tool. That's how they take control of your computer. Woohoo! And they might even ask for payment for the privilege. But what they're really doing is gaining access to everything on your computer and what you do with it, including your bank accounts. Their aim is to take as much money or information as they can. Even if you don't bank online, they'll still have access to your passwords, email, photos, webcam, ID. Whatever's on your computer is now theirs too. And you may never know. So when you get a call, just remember the simple fact that no reputable company will ever contact you out of the blue to sort out a problem this way. When you need help, ask someone you know or call the company directly. Don't respond to unsolicited calls. Put the phone down. Don't give a stranger control of your computer, and never download software from someone you don't know. Simple.